welcome to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. And I'm gonna do a red kidney beans with corn chips and vegan cheese. I'm gonna put some diced onions in there. And here goes my turmeric, my garlic powder, and my black pepper. And I'm gonna put all of these in a blender. Okay, so the corn chips, when the sauce is made, the red bean sauce is gonna be very pureed. I'm also gonna add some olive oil in there to give it a little bit of texture. So I am gonna put all of this in the blender until it is pureed and saucy. And then I am gonna pour this on the corn chips with a little bit more vegan cheese on there. And that's a simple vegan nachos for me, okay? As I said, I hope you guys give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. So let's go ahead and put those items in the blender. So this is the corn chips. It's organic. As I said, I'm gonna put the saucy red beans on there when I'm done, and I'm gonna sprinkle some more vegan cheese. So it's kind of like a haystack, but without all the ingredients of the haystack. So you get your protein, you get your carbs in there. For the red kidney beans, you can either use the canned beans, you can drain it out and rinse it. You can cook it from scratch, boil the beans, and you can put it in the refrigerator overnight. You can store it, and when you're ready to use it, you can do that. In my case, that's what I did. Okay, so I'm still blending, and what I do sometimes, I would add a little bit of water in there. Okay, so we're all done. Oh my goodness, this tastes so good. You can either put it on the corn chips or you can dip the corn chips in there, but I am going to put it on the corn chips, and I'm going to put some of it on the corn chips, and I am going to sprinkle some vegan cheese on there. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this. Okay, so here you go, folks. It's all done. I'll sprinkle the vegan cheese on there. It looks really good, and I'm gonna have it right now. So as I said, I always do encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.